All aboard! Now then, today I thought I'd do a quick eBay unboxing, and here we go. And in this, I think I know what it's meant to be, but my suspicions is either it isn't what I think it is, or somebody's put more weight in it. It's meant to be a Lima Class 33, but to me it feels heavier than a Lima Class 33 should be. But let's have a look and see what's in the box. I'm guessing that they probably put added weight, if it is a 33, they probably put added weight in it for traction, or there's added weight with the packaging. Either way, can't wait to see what's occurring. Well, it's in a Hornby box anyway. There we go. Yep, it definitely is a Lima 33. And it's in awful condition, bodywork wise. That doesn't matter to me, I've got another body for it. But why on earth is it so heavy? Were they so heavy? I don't know. Let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. I've got a feeling they've added extra weight. Maybe wrong on this. Well, that is my feeling. I'm not sure whether that's the original weight. I think not, I may be wrong. Well, that's one hell of a lump of steel for a little loco. The body, it's shit. I think it'll go in the scrap bin. But I have a nicer one, so hey diddle diddle. I've got a chassis for my other body. Job done. That one, it's had a shitty homemade fan on it and not done well, the paint's awful. Might be, they've done their own handrails on it, it's a mess really. Oh, they've even had to repair the windows at the front. Really, there's that much work in that body shell, it doesn't make it worth it when I've got another. So, adios. Next in line is a lovely little package. Lovely little package. That's what all the girls say. Oops. Right. Oh, here we go. Shitload of a newspaper. We'll get rid of that. Because we're not all about newspaper. And then we get on to... What's that shit? That's not what I ordered. I've got a feeling they may have put extra, I don't know. They're not the ones I ordered for sure. There's one. There's another. And another. Oh. Well, those aren't at all the lot I won, so I'm not overly impressed. I can make something out of them, but that ain't the lot I won. And it's been unboxed here on eBay on an unboxing. So, but the box car that was in it was a lot nicer. There was 2 different cabooses. Even the trains, so it's not even the same lot. I don't think there's one in there. They were the same I bidded on. I don't know, eBayers. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.